Hello, today I'm going to show you how to integrate your WordPress blog into Microsoft Word so that you could write your blog post on Microsoft Word and then publish it on your blog, or you could publish it as a draft on your blog. Okay, so first off, I'm using Microsoft Word 2016, I believe. I got the 365 subscription. Anyways, here, look for the blog post. In this case, it's already at the bottom right here, if you could see, but I'm going to search it here anyways, so you guys can see it, and just click on this so that later, when you come back, you won't need to look for it anymore. Okay, so they're supposed to be there. There it is. Okay. Now just click on that. Okay, now it looks a little different, right? So, we're going to add an account. I'm going to teach you how to add an account. Okay, manage accounts, then new. You click on WordPress and then put your blog URL there. For this tutorial, I'm going to put my one of my clients' blog because I need to sync it anyways. I need to sync her blog into my on my Word. Okay, there you go. You hit picture options if you host it. So if you host your picture somewhere else, but I'm assuming that you just host it on your blog, meaning you just upload the pictures on your WordPress blog and it's just saved on your blog. You hit OK, and it's going to say it's successful. Alright, cool. Now, okay, now over here when you create a blog post, you could click on the account that you want to put, and just write a blog post. Let's pretend that I'm just going to write a blog post. Test. I'm going to add the help guide on the description section, if not on this video. Okay, so let's just say, I don't know, step 1, step 2. If you go to step 1, let's say I want to convert it to heading 2. So you hit Control Alt number 2, right? Isn't that cool? So you don't have to worry about doing it. I'm a big fan of Markdown so that I don't need to waste my time using my mouse, because I talk fast and I type fast, and I really need just to use my keyboard because it saves a lot of time. Okay, and all the features that they have here are features that they also use on WordPress, such as, let's say, the quote feature. To be or not to be. The quote feature, it is right here. It'll indent it, and some WordPress themes have their own settings on how they do quotes. Okay, so you could use that there. And for SEO purposes, of course, you want to use the headings. I'd recommend using heading 1 up to 3, maybe 4. And don't use a lot of bold formatting. Just use it for main ideas. Okay, now I can't stand it. I'll just put this heading 2 also. Okay, let's just say we're done right now, and we're just going to insert a category. Okay, I need to put my information again because let me get my information again. What is this called? Because I accidentally pressed on the settings a while ago. When you saw that, okay, here you go. You insert a category, and now you can insert one of the categories that you already added on your WordPress blog. Okay, I honestly haven't experimented with the none here, but I wouldn't do that because it might just screw up whatever your post is later, or it might just categorize it as uncategorized. And the only way for you to add more categories is by going to your WordPress blog. Not here. You can't do it here. Okay, so you could see publish as a draft, so you could check on it later when you go to the backend of your WordPress, or you could publish it right away. I wouldn't publish it right away, just so you could see it. You can see it at the back end, set all the settings such as the featured images and the tags and the permalink. Oh, I believe that you could also do it here. You could change the permalink. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know why I keep getting. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna ignore that. So anyways, going back, when you hit publish, here you could publish it as a draft or hit publish. I would recommend publishing as a draft so that when you go in the backend of WordPress, you could add the tags and add the categories. Actually, you're only supposed to add one category if you don't know that yet. And you could add feature images and other images, and you could add the no follow links, and all these SEO elements that we all need to do. Saving this on your WordPress blog does not mean that it is saved on your computer. If you want to save it, just go to Save As and save it as a docx file. You can choose to save it using our other extensions as you can see here, but just use docx to make everything simple. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you find this helpful.